First Twitter reactions from UK screening of Avengers Assemble hit. The footage we have seen doesn't do it justice. The Avengers is a bigger movie than any of us could have ever imagined. It's funny, not in a stupid way, in an actual laugh-out-loud way, throughout and deadly serious too. Some truly shocking moments. There's not a weak performance. Hiddleston is terrifying and everyone else is magnificent. You won't believe how good the Avengers is. Avengers equals awesome superhero spectacle. I have to say I was skeptical about Avengers Assemble, but I was so wrong. Joss Whedon has pulled off one of the best superhero movies. The Avengers First Thoughts. Joss Whedon has finally shown cinema audiences what reading a superhero comic feels like. Amazed that even with all the Avengers footage, stills, visuals online, it actually shows us very little. We've just seen the Avengers and I'm pleased to report we loved it. The perfect Avengers movie. Joss Whedon has just shown why he is such a genius. Avengers Assemble is out of this world brilliant. Brilliant. 11 out of 10. The more I think about Avengers Assemble, the more I want to see it again. Even if it does have a silly title. The Avengers was epic. Incredible last 30 minutes. Full tilt war movie. Avengers Assemble is the greatest superhero movie of all time. The ultimate summer blockbuster. Everything fans could hope for and more. Avengers Assemble, the Hulk totally smashes it. Pretty much steals the show. Gorgeous performance. Brilliant direction. Love the other guy. Anyone worried about Avengers Assemble needn't be. It's a fun-filled, action-packed romp with great interaction between the characters. I would call Avengers Assemble a near-perfect film. Nothing's perfect. But the level of characterization beats all the solo films combined. Wow, Avengers Assemble was ace. Funny in places, very loud and extremely entertaining. Dunno what else to say. Just ace. Smile.